yes, yes. Inside me, the enemy and the friend. So watch them both. Love them both. No pain, no gain. This is, if there is no mistake, we learn from our mistakes. Every day, new one. Not the old one and the old one and the old one. This is why. No pain, no gain. What are you afraid of? The man asked his heart. The heart did not reply. Please tell me why you are afraid. There is no one out there that will hurt you. I will protect you. I have grown strong. I am a warrior now. You have nothing to fear. Still the heart did not reply. And the heart is speaking. There is something in our heart that loves us. It's not a thing. It's not a virus. It's an energy in the core of our being. This is where the godliness put all this truth inside. Tell me, heart, please, what is our Father? Was it a good man or a bad man? Was it our brothers? Was it our own lovers? None of that matters now. I'm a grown man. No one can do anything to us. The heart remained quiet, closed. The heart started giving thoughts, intuitions. Listen to that intuition. Don't listen to others. Don't listen to the power people, the mafia of the soul, the mafia of the heart. Listen to your own experiences. The man grew frustrated. Heart, you are a coward. Maybe you are effective and defective. Maybe I just don't have a heart that works properly. No wonder I can't feel love. The heart closed even tighter. For a month, the man walked around, falling ever deeper into despair about his defective heart. Then one day, the man grew very quiet, quiet enough that he thought he could almost hear a whisper. A whisper. What is this